This dance is called Spanish Airways. It's a 32 count, 4-wall, improver level line dance. Starting on the right foot, walking forward, right, left. Into a samba step. So we're going to cross the right over left, rock to the side on the left, recover your weight on the right. Cross the left over the right, make a quarter turn left as you step back on that right. Further half a turn to the left as you step forward on the left, step forward on the right, pivot half a turn to the left. That set of steps once more then, walking forward off on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, samba, step, cross, quarter, half step, pivot. Now you have got the equivalent of 1 1/4 turns in that section at the end there. So you do that quarter turn, further half, step, pivot, half. 1 1/4 turns. Should you need to try and take that out, what you can actually do your walk, walk, samba step, cross, quarter turn. It's these last 3 steps that you're going to change. So rather than doing that further half a turn, you step back on the left, and then rather than doing the step, pivot, half, you rock back on the right and recover your weight on that left. That will take out the full turn element, keeps the quarter in, but it does take out that full turn. So non-turning steps should you need to try and take that little section out. And just so you know, that's actually 7 and 8 count timing on those last 3 steps. Into some Dorothy steps then. Right foot leading, travelling forward, step, lock and. Then with the left, step, lock and. Rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left. On the and count you're going to bring the feet together, then walk back 2 steps, left, right. So that set of steps once more then. 2 sets of Dorothys to start with, off on the right. 7, 8, step, lock and step, lock and forward, rock and back, back. So Dorothy steps to start with. Let's add that to the top. Walking forward off on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, samba, step, cross, turn, turn, step, pivot. Dorothy step, forward, rock and back, back. Step the left back, touch the right beside the left. On the and count you're going to step the right beside the left, walk forward 2 steps, left, right. Touch your left foot forward on the diagonal, and as you do, bump your hip forward. Step down on the left. And repeat that with the right foot. So you're going to touch that right forward on that right diagonal. As you bump your hip right, step down on that right. So those hip bump bits, it's literally touch as you bump, step down, touch as you bump, step down. That section then, back touch off on the left. 7, 8, back, touch and walk, walk, bump, step, bump, step. Let's add that to the top. Walking forward off on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, samba, step, cross, turn, turn, step, pivot. Dorothy step, forward, rock and back, 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 touch and walk, walk, bump, step, step. rock forward on your left, recover the weight on the right. Then you're going to shuffle yourself around 3/4 of a turn to the left, so you end up back facing the front wall. 3 steps, 3 and 4 count timing, left, right, left. Add on a jazz box, quarter turn with a step. So you cross the right over the left, step the left back, quarter turn right, step forward on that left. End of dance when you get to that point. So that set of steps once more then. Forward rock off on the left. 7, 8. Forward rock, turn, shuffle, cross, back, turn, step. So by virtue of its name, it is a 3/4 turn. If you need to try and take that out, just shuffle yourself a quarter turn to the right. So you'll do your forward rock, recover, shuffle to the right, and then you can add on your jazz box quarter step, which is also turning right, but it's only a quarter. 2/4 should be fine. So that's the end of the dance. When we get to that point, let's put it all together. Walking forward off on the right. 7, 8. Walk, walk, samba, step, cross, turn, turn, step, pivot, step, lock and step, lock and forward, rock and back, 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 touch and walk, walk, bump, step, forward, rock 3/4, cross, back, turn, step. That's your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Walking forward off on the right. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is your dance, and hopefully you've got a good feel for the timing as well. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Walking forward off on the right. 7, 8. Walk, walk, samba, step, cross, turn, turn, step, pivot, step, lock and forward, rock and back, 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 touch and walk, walk, bump, step, forward, rock, turn, shuffle, cross, back, turn, step, walk, walk, samba, step, cross, turn, turn, step, pivot, step, lock and forward, rock and back, 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 touch and walk, walk, bump, step, forward, rock, turn, shuffle, cross, back, turn, step, walk, walk, samba, step, cross, turn, turn, step, pivot, step, lock and forward, rock and back, 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 touch and walk, walk, bump, step, forward, rock, turn, shuffle, cross, back, turn, step. So that's it. That is your dance. That's your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to their music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk, samba, step, cross, turn, turn, step, kick, step, lock and step, rock and forward, rock and back, 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 touch and walk, walk, back, touch, back, step, forward rock, turn, shuffle, cross, back, turn, step, walk, samba step, cross, turn, step, step, rock and step, walk and forward, rock and back, 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 touch and walk, walk, back, step, back, step, forward rock, turn, shuffle, cross, back, turn, step, walk, samba step, cross, step, turn, step, hip, starting, forward rock, back, touch and walk, back, step, forward rock, turn, shuffle, cross, back, turn, step, walk, samba step, cross, turn, step, hip, starting, forward rock and back, touch and walk, turn, step, forward rock, turn, shuffle, cross, back, turn, step, walk, dancing, back touch, forward rock, walks, dancing, back touch, forward rock, walks, dancing, back touch, forward rock, walks, dancing, back touch, forward rock, hope you managed that one.